voltage is within the normal range. Turn on the machine. If the machine voltage is 380 V, ensure that the input voltage does not exceed 410 V and does not lower than 370 V. After the machine is turned on, the system will have some prompt messages. If it is an emergency stop, please turn the stop button clockwise to remove the prompt. Then select the ZRN mode. Click Cycle Start. The machine will start to move. First, the Z-axis will move up, the X-axis will move to the left, and the Y-axis will move forward. The machine will stop in the lower left corner. Watching the screen, Z plus, X dash, Y will turn yellow. This means that all axes have returned to the origin of the machine after SP.T.No on the screen is. Then remove the corresponding tool holder from the tool library and put it into the spindle. In the jog mode, press and hold the green button on the spindle for 1 to 2 seconds. The tool can be installed or removed. When installing the tool holder, make sure that the inside of the spindle is clean. There are some function keys on the display. You can click Test. In the jog mode, click on them to turn them on or off. When the dust hood rises or falls, the vacuum pump and the dust collector are turned on or off. Position the rising or falling of the cylinder. Install the cutting tool. There is a seat for removing tools on the machine, and there is a wrench in the toolbox. Keep sensor surface clean. Automatically measure all tool lengths. Click the leftmost back key multiple times. Select F3 Setup, F8 ATM. In the upper left corner, the ATM mode is M to M. Click the right side of T.No with the mouse, then input the tool number to be automatically measured, and enter. F1 ATM.ST, Start Automatic Measurement. The spindle will automatically grab the corresponding tool. After crawling the tool, The spindle moves to the top of the sensor, so that the tool touch sensor 3 times. Then the Z-axis rises to the 0 position, and the measurement is complete. Turn on the MPG handwheel mode. Point to the X-axis and turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to the wheel to move the X-axis. Speed points to X100. Positioning cylinder rises. So that the tool blade portion, near the left positioning cylinder. Click the back button, green button, on the left again several times. Then F3 setup. First click on the X position under G54. After turning blue, F3 teach in. Set X. Then move the tool to the position of the front cylinder. Tool edge close to the cylinder. First click Y under G54. Then set Y, subtract the radius of the tool from the resulting number. In this way, the intersection of XY is obtained. Here is the position of the work coordinate XY0. When running the file, it will start from here. Click to return to the cutting position. The spindle will move to the